Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the troubleshooter. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SFC /scanno. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Exit and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net stop WUAU serve. Type net stop bits. Type net stop crypt svc. Type ren /clan /windows /software distribution software distribution.old. Type ren /clan /windows /system32 /catro2 catro2.old. Type net start WUAU serve. Type net start bits. Type net start crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Click Next. Select Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.